Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best short throw projectors in 2024. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best short throw projectors. The 5th product on our list is AAXA P400 The AAXA P400 is very small, but it can generate an impressively large 180-inch picture in 1080p. Priced at under $300, this Android-based projector fits in the palm of your hand, so you can easily move it from room to watch TV shows, sports, or movies whenever and wherever it's convenient. Like all ultra-small projectors, this one's brightness is rather low, just 400 ANSI lumens when its boost mode is turned on. So, to generate the highest quality and clearest picture, you'll need to use this projector in an extremely dark viewing space. The built-in rechargeable battery offers up to 2 hours of video playback in standard mode. The P400 also has a nice selection of connectivity options. You can stream content directly from the internet via Wi-Fi, connect your mobile device or computer to the projector, or plug in a memory card with TV shows or movies on it. If you're looking for a compact 4.5x4 x 2.3 inch and affordable short throw projector that can be used indoors, either using an external power source or its internal battery, the P400 is a versatile option. It can generate a picture between 16 and 180 inches and project onto a white wall or screen. Up next in 4th place is the BenQ X500i. The BenQ X500i is a wonderfully powerful 4K projector that does well with all types of video content, even if there's some ambient light. What makes this projector stand out for console-based gamers is that you can plug in any current video game system, from Nintendo, Microsoft, or Sony. And the X500i automatically optimizes its settings accordingly. There are 3 separate gaming modes, so you can choose the one that's best suited to the game genre you're playing. Regardless of the game, the projector offers a low lag time of just 4.16 ms. BenQ's Setting Exchange website maintains a free database of optimal projector settings and profiles for hundreds of popular game titles. We're also fans of the X500i's audio system, which supports both spatial audio and Dolby Atmos, whether you rely on the projector's internal speakers to connect it to a soundbar or full surround sound system. So whether you're gaming, viewing a Netflix series, watching live sports, or enjoying a movie night, the X500i offers versatility, an impressive LED-based picture, and decent sound. Priced under $1,700, it's also a really good value. The 3rd product on our list is the Samsung 130-inch Premiere LSP9T. If you have a big budget and want an ultra-short throw projector that provides a really impressive, highly detailed, bright image, Samsung's higher-end version of the Premiere 4K LSP9T is one that can replace your existing TV. It has the performance capabilities to become the main component in a home theater setup. The Premiere generates a maximum brightness of 2,200 ANSI lumens, which makes it visible during the day. The projector is powered using the Tizen operating system for smart TV capabilities, so it's able to stream on-demand and live content without requiring additional equipment. The integrated sound system is also impressive, but we still recommend adding a full surround sound system for a truly immersive, cinema-like experience. We really like the sleek design of the Premiere. It can be positioned extremely close to a screen for a less conspicuous look, but still produce a picture up to 130 inches. The triple laser projection system works exceptionally well when it comes to color accuracy, contrast, sharpness, and fluidity. Plus, the FileMaker mode that Samsung is known for makes watching movies look exactly how the director intended. The 2nd product on our list is the AWOL 4K 3D Triple Laser Projector LTV 3500 Pro. The recently updated AWOL LTV 3500 Pro is the perfect centerpiece for a home theater setup. With its 3,500 lumens of brightness, it does a nice job of projecting a bright image in a dimly lit or dark room. You can expect a consistently good picture with highly accurate colors and impressive detail. Whether you're watching upscaled 1080p content, native 4K content, or 3D content, when watching compatible movies, the projector's 24 FPS feature allows you to see the movie the way it was meant to be displayed in theaters. We recommend using this projector with an optional soundbar or full surround sound system, since the integrated speakers are good, but not fantastic. Connecting a mobile device or computer to the projector is very simple, but if you want the LTV 3500 Pro to have its own smart TV capabilities, you'll need to plug in the supplied Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max or a similar device. To experience the best possible picture quality, we recommend using this projector with one of AWOL's own ALR screens, sold separately. We really like how the 120-inch AWOL Vision Cinematic Plus acoustic ALR floor rising screen works with this projector. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800. The Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800 Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector offers the right combination of features to make it a welcome addition to a home if you're looking to replace a traditional big screen TV or create a home theater setup that your friends will be envious of. This projector uses a triple laser projection system to generate a sharp and bright picture. Out of all the projectors we looked at for this buyer's guide, this one offers the highest brightness level 4000 ANSI lumens, so it'll work nicely in daylight or a darkened room, especially if it's paired with an ambient light-rejecting screen. You'll enjoy up to a 150-inch picture with a 16.9 aspect ratio. The 10-bit HDR color processing, combined with the 2,500,001 contrast ratio, ensures all colors are vivid and accurate. Thanks to its ultra-short throw technology, you can place this projector a mere 17.3 inches away from the screen to generate a 100-inch picture, or just 20.2 inches from the screen to enjoy a 120-inch picture. And when you connect a console-based gaming system, you can expect a truly immersive experience with smooth graphics and no lag. While we suggest connecting a soundbar or complete sound system to this short-throw projector, the speakers and subwoofer built into the LS800 provide above-average audio quality. That's all for our list of the 5 best short-throw projectors on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.